what's up, everybody? And today I'm playing Minecraft. Okay, so we're in the middle of my build a battle. Crave by World Plate Penguin. I'm going Penguin. And Penguin is a winner. Ow! Okay, so pretty sure Penguin looks like this. Okay. So I'm gonna Penguin's black and white, yeah. I'm gonna build a really derpy one. Sitting down on the ground. That's gonna scare people. I'm pretty sure then they look like that. No, they don't. Oh, okay. So I'm pretty sure they look like this. I'm no penguin expert, but let's see. Oop, that looked kind of wrong. Okay, so now. Boom! That's just looking really bad. Boom. This is looking actually kind of good. No, just kidding. Now if you put the head just like... I only won like 2 games in a row. Now, this looks like Slenderman. Why am I so bad at building? So now if I add yellow eyes, maybe that will win. This is beautiful. Yeah, this is like the best thing I've ever built. Yep. It's hard to tell when you use different colors. The boom. Now this is called a penguin. Sorry, like a punk rocker. Don't they have like beaks and stuff? So let's add one of those. It looks better with one. Yeah, it's actually looking okay. Now, aren't they like this now? They do not look like Elvis, I think. This is beautiful. Jeez, this is awesome. See this thing? I think I'm gonna win. Everything should be with a black outline. Just like this. It went from bad to good. I actually don't mind this. This is starting to look like a penguin. But still not really looking like a one. Now it looks better like this. Boom! That looks more like... Okay, now I need ice. Packed ice looks cooler. And then... I should have made one belly sliding. Why am I so stupid? Wait, shift click. Okay, 1 second. Now this is like awesome. Now if I just grab some torches, I want you guys to be able to hear me, and the word of the today is crud nuggets. So now if I just add some of these onto the back of him, this thing, just like that, and put one like this, and now like that, and then like this, and then like that, And now, get ready for the grand finale. Here he is. Oh, that's hard. Mine. Oh, I shouldn't have made mine sunny. Okay, this guy's definitely gonna win. This is actually really good. This is epic. No, it's good. Oh, got legendary. Dang, they won. No, this is that's okay. Oh, this one's so good. Look at how good is it? How easy it is to build penguins. Mine like sucks. This is scary. I'm gonna give this one okay. Why is everybody so good? Don't you guys know how to change it? Okay. Poop. Okay. Oh. Legendary, everybody. Legendary. I saw some poops. Some okays, too. This one's poopy. This one's okay. If this one gets a legendary... Okay, good. Okay. I wish I was like... I need to get better at my building. Ooh, this one's good. What's this one? This one's okay. Bob. Hey, he's in my game again. Oh, never mind. I don't think he knows how to build. Crowd Nuggets. I got 7th. It's good enough. Thank you guys for watching. And peace out. And just remind you to punch that like button. If we get to 5, I'll be friending some.